Could Samsung be setting a new benchmark in smartphone design? The Galaxy S25 Edge is making headlines, and for good reason. Early rumors suggested that it would come with a trimmed-down 7-core version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, but fresh leaks have revealed a surprising twist. The device is actually powered by the full 8-core version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, meaning it offers the same high-performance chip as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This unexpected upgrade was spotted in Geekbench's database, where a model listed as SMS 937B appeared, confirming key details about the device. It features 12 gigabytes of RAM and runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, ensuring smooth performance and a seamless user experience. Benchmark results show that the Galaxy S25 Edge's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is built for speed. It includes 2 prime CPU cores clocked at an impressive 4.47 GHz, while the 6 performance cores run at 3.53 GHz. These powerful specs help the phone achieve 2,806 points in Geekbench's single-core test and 8,416 points in the multi-core test, putting it among the top-performing smartphones in 2025. But it's not just the processor that makes this device stand out. One of the most exciting aspects of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its sleek and lightweight design. If rumors are accurate, this could be Samsung's thinnest flagship phone ever, measuring just 5.84 millimeters in thickness. That's even thinner than the Galaxy S25, making it one of the slimmest high-end smartphones on the market. Additionally, the device is expected to weigh less than 162 grams, making it easy to handle and comfortable for daily use. The display is another major highlight. The Galaxy S25 Edge reportedly features a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. This means users can expect stunning visuals with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, even under direct sunlight. To ensure durability, Samsung has equipped the device with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Additionally, an ultrasonic fingerprint reader is embedded under the display for fast and secure unlocking. When it comes to cameras, Samsung seems to be pushing the limits once again. The Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to feature a powerful triple camera setup on the back. This includes a massive 200-megapixel primary camera designed to capture highly detailed images with impressive clarity. Accompanying it is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group photos. On the front, users will get a 12-megapixel selfie camera, ensuring sharp and vibrant self-portraits. Powering the device is a 3,900 mAh battery, which supports 25-watt fast charging. While the battery capacity might seem slightly lower than some competitors, Samsung is likely optimizing its software and hardware to ensure efficient power management, giving users long-lasting battery life. With all these advanced features, the Galaxy S25 Edge could become a top contender in a premium smartphone market. Have you ever wondered how thin a smartphone can really be without compromising its performance? Well, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge might just have the answer, but there's a twist. The Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be a sleek competitor to Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Air. Both devices are set to impress with their thinness, but just how thin can they get while maintaining all the features we come to expect from high-end smartphones? Apple's iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge could be even slimmer at 6.4 millimeters. Some reports suggest it could go even thinner, as low as 5.8 millimeters. And it's not just about how thin these phones are. Think about this. OnePlus is gearing up to launch the Open 2, which is expected to be only 4 millimeters thick when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone that thin. But let's get back to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has generated a lot of buzz for its performance in early benchmarks. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench under the model number SMS 937U. For those who might not know, Geekbench is a popular benchmarking tool used to measure a phone's performance. It tests things like the processor's capabilities, graphics, and overall speed, with higher scores generally meaning smoother performance, faster multitasking, and better gaming experiences. The first results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were a bit of a mixed bag. In the single-core test, the phone scored 3,005 points, and in the multi-core test, it achieved 6,945 points. But new results have come in, and they show a different story. The latest benchmark tests show the Galaxy S25 Edge scoring 2,806 in single-core performance and 8,416 in multi-core performance. So, while it performs slightly worse in single-core tasks, it performs significantly better in multi-core tests, which is great news for multitaskers and gamers. However, it's important to note that the device is still not official, and these are early test results, so we should take them with a grain of salt. Aside from its performance, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to come packed with impressive features. The phone will likely sport a 200 megapixel main camera, making it an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts. For selfies, it's expected to feature a 12 megapixel front camera. The display will offer an LTPO panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an eye-watering 2,600 nits of peak brightness. If that doesn't sound bright enough, I don't know what does. For durability, the Galaxy S25 Edge will feature an Armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so you can expect it to withstand some accidental drops and scratches. Under the hood, the device will be powered by 12 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, making it fast and capable of handling large files and apps. It will also support Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring fast data transfer and seamless connectivity. When it comes to charging, you can expect 25-watt charging speeds. Is Apple's budget-friendly iPhone SE 4 finally getting a major upgrade? New leaked images suggest that some of the biggest changes yet could be coming to the SE lineup. If you've been waiting for a more modern and powerful iPhone at an affordable price, this might be the one to watch. The latest leak comes from a well-known source, and it shows the iPhone SE 4 in a sleek matte black finish. Unlike previous leaks, this time the display is actually turned on. While it doesn't reveal any major new features, it does seem to confirm several rumors that have been circulating for months. One of the biggest upgrades is the display. Reports suggest that the iPhone SE 4 will come with a 6.1-inch 60Hz OLED screen. This would be a major shift from previous SE models, which use older LCD technology. An OLED screen means better colors, deeper blacks, and improved contrast, making the viewing experience much better than before. In terms of design, the SE 4 appears to be moving closer to Apple's modern iPhone lineup. We've already seen renders, dummy models, and case designs suggesting two color options, black and white. This latest leak appears to confirm the black version with a smooth matte texture. It looks clean, stylish, and premium, something SE models haven't always been known for. Another major design change is the removal of the home button. Instead of keeping the classic Touch ID design, Apple seems to be switching to a notch at the top of the screen. This likely means that Face ID will replace Touch ID, bringing the SE series in line with Apple's flagship models. For those who prefer fingerprint unlocking, this might be disappointing, but Face ID has proven to be fast and secure over the years. Now let's talk about the camera. Unlike Apple's high-end models that feature multiple lenses, the iPhone SE 4 will reportedly stick to a single rear camera. However, don't let that fool you. If rumors are true, this camera could feature a 48 megapixel sensor, a massive improvement over the 12 megapixel camera found in the previous SE model. A higher resolution sensor means sharper images, more detail, and better low-light performance. One feature that the iPhone SE 4 will likely not get is the camera control button, which is expected to debut on the iPhone 16 series. However, it does seem like Apple is bringing the action button to this budget model. First introduced on the iPhone 15, the action button lets users customize a shortcut to their most used feature, whether it's launching the camera, turning on the flashlight, or activating silent mode. It's a small but useful upgrade that makes the phone more functional. While these leaks give us a better look at the iPhone SE 4, there are still a lot of unanswered questions. Will it feature Apple's latest chip for improved performance? Will it have a bigger battery for longer usage? And most importantly, how much will it cost? If Apple sticks to its usual pricing strategy, SE 4 could be one of the best value iPhones in years. So is the iPhone SE 4 shaping up to be a worthy upgrade? With a larger OLED screen, Face ID, a powerful camera, and the action button, it looks like Apple is making big changes while keeping costs down. But is it enough to convince buyers to upgrade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech news. We'll keep you updated as more details emerge.